Hey, our mateys, it's been a while since I've done a cooking video. Hey, and how many guys do you know have a chef jacket on board? Not many, but I do. Now, if you hear some noise in the background, that's my diesel heater. I love that thing. But, okay, all right, so tonight I'm gonna make a skillet cordon bleu. Here's all we're going to need for it and how easy it is to put together. All right, so obviously we're going to need a chicken breast, some ham, Swiss cheese, and I don't carry milk on board, but what I did is in this bowl here, I put a little bit of water, some French vanilla coffee creamer, and a little bit of flour, some salt, pepper. I'm going to need some, I'm using canola oil because it's less expensive than olive oil, garlic. And what we'll do is we'll take the chicken breast, we're going to dredge that in some flour. And what that's going to do is help make a roux as we saute this to thicken everything with. So I'm going to heat our skillet. There we go. Oop. Oh, I got to turn the propane on. A little bit of the canola oil. And I'm going to add the garlic to that to enhance the flavor. And what I'm going to do on the side dishes for this, I'm going to do some brown potatoes. I parboiled them and then browned them, and carrots. All right, so now the garlic is starting to brown. And I got to tell you, I do these cooking videos for when I actually eat something. I'm just not doing them to do the videos. It's what I'm really eating and doing. So now we'll put that in. We're going to saute that. All right, so I've been sauteing the chicken for a few minutes now. That's just about finished. Nice and brown. I'm going to add my mix here for my sauce. Get that to thicken. So now, let's take a look. Oh, look at how nice this is thickening. Very nice. I'm going to lay my Swiss cheese across the top here. Whoops. And a few slices of deli ham. Cover it again. All right, so now you see this is starting to thicken nicely. Pour a little bit of the sauce over the top. We're just about finished. Now I'm reducing the sauce a little bit. Probably should have used a little less water in that. I used a cup. Probably 3/4 of a cup would have been sufficient. I'm going to pour the sauce over the potatoes. A little bit more of the cordon bleu. And there we have a wonderful dinner in probably less than, well, not counting the boiling time of the potatoes, 15 minutes. Well, until next time, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends. Bon appetit.